What's the meaning of Bodmin Moor? Bodmin Moor. Bodmin Moor.
Bodmin Moor. Bodmin Moor. Bodmin Moor is a granite moorland in Cornwall, southwest England. The name Bodmin comes from the Cornish words for dwelling and hill, which accurately describes the moor's landscape of rolling hills and vast open spaces. The moor is known for its rich history and cultural heritage, with evidence of human habitation as far back as the Neolithic period. It is also home to diverse wildlife and plant species, including rare birds like the snipe and cuckoo, and unique flora such as the yellow gorse. Today, Bodmin Moor is a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts, offering opportunities for hiking, cycling, fishing, and horse riding.